Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to add end screens and cards to your videos to increase your watch hour and your views. Let's get started. From your home, you click Manage Videos. Then you click the video you want to add the end screen to. On your right hand side, you click End Screen. There are so many templates of end screen, so you select whichever one that you want. Then you click and choose your favorite template. You can either customize your end screen to whichever video you want to be showing, or you can allow YouTube to select best video for viewers. To add end screens, on your left side, click Elements, and then you click the video you want to add, and then you click Save. To add cards on your home channel, click Manage Videos. Select the video you want to add a card to. On your right hand side, click Cards. On your left hand side, click Cards, and then select the video you want to add as the card. You can actually add up to 5 cards for each video. You can adjust it and move it to whichever place where you want the video to be showing. Once you're done, you click Save, and then you go back to your home channel. To see the cards that you've added, click on the video that you added the cards to, and then you go to the description, and then you can be able to see the videos that you've added. Now that you know how to add end screen and cards to your videos, next week I'll be teaching you how to create playlists to increase your watch hours and views. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.